Hey there, awesome people. Welcome to my channel. It's Esudasan. Today we are driving into something super cool, deploying your own website using Docker and AWS. And the best part is we are gonna do it in just 4 minutes. Let's do it step by step. Step 1, to create an EC2 instance, naming as Ubuntu test. I'm using Ubuntu as the base image. Now I'm gonna create a new key pair for this tutorial. I'm gonna name it as Ubuntu test. So now I have created a key pair and the instance. Step 2, to log in instance using my public IP and the key pair that I have created. Successfully log in. Now going to log in as a root user. Docker-v shows that there is no Docker installed in this instance. So step 3 is to install the Docker. First, let me update the instance. Now apt install docker.io. There are many ways to install the Docker. This is the easiest way to install the Docker. Now let's check the Docker has been installed. I'm gonna install unzip utility. Now step 4, to download the website files. You can also use your own website files if you have. Now copying link. Come back to the instance and wget link. I have downloaded the website files. Unzipping the website files. Step 5 is to pull the Nginx image. Now it's time to deploy our website using Docker run command. Here the command is Docker run -ti, that is interactive terminal, -d is detached mode, -p is the port that we are going to map. Here is 82. The default container port is 80. -v is the volume that we are going to mount. In this case, I'm taking the local directory as my website files. To the Nginx default root document folder. That is user, share, Nginx, HTML. The image name is Nginx. So here we go. So we have successfully deployed our container and the website. Now we will come back to the terminal and check Docker PS. It shows that our container is up and running on the Nginx image on the port 82. Thanks for watching.